Number 5. Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ. Crush ice like a pro with the Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ. This budget-friendly blender performs as well as higher-end models for ice crushing tasks without breaking the bank. Let's start with its effectiveness. With its 72-ounce jar, it's perfect for making party-sized batches of icy drinks. The Auto IQ technology and pulse mode make it a breeze to crush larger chunks of ice. You won't need to babysit your blender, as the automatic blending programs handle the guesswork for you. What stands out most is its simplicity. While it doesn't have the versatility of more expensive blenders, it excels in its primary function. Yes, there are drawbacks, like the lack of a two-part lid. You have to stop blending to add ingredients, but the pouring spout mitigates this by making serving straightforward. Cleaning can be tricky with the blade design, similar to the Ninja Blender Duo with Auto IQ BL642. Thankfully, all parts are dishwasher safe, so it's not a deal breaker. Smoothies with fibrous veggies might turn out grainy, but for basic ice crushing and simple recipes, this model excels. Its quiet operation is a huge plus, especially if you don't want to wake the whole house. For someone keen on making ice-based treats without spending much, this blender hits the mark.